This is I Will Rise. Chris Tomlin does this one so lovely. It's in the key of C that I'm going to teach it to you in. Make sure to stop the video because I do have the printable document, the chord sheet that you can print out in the description below. So we have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor. So let's go through those 4 chords. So we have C chord, C, E, G. Okay, scoot down, hold that shape, and you have an F chord here. F, A, C. Okay, move up 1 note and you're in the G position. G, B, D. And then move up 1 more note and you're in the A position. So that's A minor. A, C, E. Okay, so pretty simple chords for this song. So we have C chord, F chord, G chord, and A minor. Okay. All right, left hand, I'm just going to put thumb on C, line up my 5 fingers, and then I can kind of keep this hand the whole time in this position so you don't have to lose where you're at. So we're going to play chords in our right hand. We're going to play single notes in our left hand. So we have C note with C chord, okay? Then we can play F chord with F in the bass, G, you guessed it, G, and then A minor. We'll just play the A note right there. Okay, so to bring the 2 hands together, we're going to do a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Might sound kind of boring when you're beginning anything. It kind of sounds monotonous, and that's okay. But this is a really fun way to be able to accompany yourself or somebody else. So let's look at that in our hands when we bring that rhythm. Together, right, together, right, together, right. F chord, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on, okay? Just get used to that nice marching rhythm. Okay, so I'm going to start out with verse 1 with this A minor chord, which if you look at the verse 1 and 2, they're the same thing, so there's patterns. That helps simplify it for you. Okay, so also if bringing 2 hands together is tricky for you, just go ahead and play right hand by itself and then bring in the 2 hands when it feels good to you. All right, so A minor, I'm just going to play through this and sing it so you can see how it comes together. All right? There's a peace I've come to know, though my heart and flesh may fail. There's an anchor for my soul. I can say it is well. See that nice marching rhythm? Okay, let's look at verse 2 as I'm just going to show you, kind of walk through it again. There's a day, starting on the A minor. Okay, there's a day that's drawing near. That's F. When this C chord, darkness breaks to G, light, and the A minor, shadows disappear, F, and my faith, C chord, faith shall be my eyes, G. Okay, the pre-chorus, you're noticing that we're just repeating those 4 chords over and over. We're just changing the order in which you play the chords. So like I said, verse 1 and 2 are the same. If you notice with pre-chorus into chorus, we're doing C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F. So you might want to get your hand just used to going through that chords without even adding any vocals, without adding any rhythm, nothing like that. Just go really slow, wait till each chord is in the position before you play that, okay? Then you can go and add in the single notes in your left hand, okay? So pre-chorus with that C, G, A minor, F. Let's go there. Jesus has overcome is G, come. Will chorus, it can kind of loop into the bridge, and that sounds really beautiful coming off of that G. So you could do that last line of the chorus sounding like this. And rise, F, and I will rise, G, and I hear the voice, and that bridges you into the bridge, which is that F chord. Voice of many is C. Many angels sing, F chord. Worthy is the Lamb. All right, let's stop here. I want to talk about patterns again. F, C, G for the bridge the whole way through. F, C, G. I lied, there is an A minor in there, but for the most part, F, C, G. Just notice those patterns. It helps take out that overwhelm, okay? So let's, oops, wrong note. Let's move into the bridge with the F chord coming from the chorus. And I will rise, and I hear the voice of many angels sing. F, worthy is the Lamb, and I hear the cry of every longing heart. So you could just move the right hand by itself, like I had said, if that left hand is too complicated to work those things together, because believe me, when you're beginning anything, it's complicated. So if you're a beginner, just move slowly, break it up into those sections. All right. That bridge is pretty self-explanatory. So go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun. Join with me. It helps to have somebody that's kind of keeping that rhythm. If you goof up, keep going. Don't stop. All right. There's a peace I've come to know, though my heart and flesh may fail. There's an anchor for my soul. I can say it is well. Jesus has overcome, and the grave has overwhelmed. The victory is won. He is risen from the dead, and I will rise when he calls my name. No more sorrow, no more pain. I will rise on eagle's wings before my God. Fall on my knees and rise, and I will rise. There's a day that's drawing near, when this darkness breaks to light, and the shadows disappear, and my faith shall be my eyes. Jesus